Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that PARCL token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, PARCL is a decentralized protocol built on Solana that enables users to trade perpetual futures contracts on real-world real estate price indices, bringing liquidity and accessibility to a traditionally illiquid assets class. Solve real estate illiquidity. It creates a liquid on-chain market for synthetic real estate assets, allowing speculation on housing prices without owning physical property. Powered by Solana and data feeds, the protocol leverages the Solana blockchain for speed and low cost, relying on accurate price data from PRCL labs and partners like Profi. Governance and utility token. The PRCL token grants holders governance rights over the protocol and access to exclusive real estate data and analytics. PRCL token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 412.28 million PRCL token. PRCL token is listed on Coinbase, OKX, Bybit and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.